Hello students, welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss important models related to number series which are very important for TS and AP ICET. And the weightage of this topic is whether it is TS ICET or AP ICET, you will be given 10 questions and each question carries 1 mark. So, total number of marks 10. So, we will take up some examples and we will discuss. Right. So, first question is on your screen. 79, 73, 71, 67, 61. Can you able to recognize these numbers? These numbers are very important as far as ICET exam is concerned. 79, 73, 71, 67, 61, these numbers are prime numbers. But prime numbers are given in decreasing order. Decreasing order. Prime numbers are given in decreasing order. So, next prime number after 61 in decreasing order is 59. So, required answer is 59. It is choice 1. 79, 73, 71, 67, 61 and the next prime number in the decreasing order is 59. So, given logic is prime numbers are given in decreasing order. I hope you are clear with this. Now, let's move to the next question. (691, 522, 652, 982, 423). ఈ numbers identify చేశారా? 691, 522, 652, 982, 423. These numbers are perfect squares, but 691 is not a perfect square. When you reverse a number, if you write the digits in reverse order, 691 becomes 196. It is a perfect square. 196 is perfect square of 14 square. 522, if the digits are written in the reverse order, it will become 225. 225 is 15 square. And 652, if you write in the reverse order, 652 will become 256. 256 is 16 square. And 982, if you write in the reverse order, it will become 289. It is 17 square. 289 is 17 square. Now 423, if you write in the reverse order, you will get 324, which is 18 square. Now, enti numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, enti numbers consecutive natural numbers. So, after 18 natural number is 19 and logic applied is square. So, 19 square is 361. But our answer is not the 361. మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ every number we are writing in the reverse order. So, 19 square is 361. If you write in the reverse order, you will get 163. So, required answer is 163. It is in choice 1. I hope it is clear. Now, let's move to the next question. I am giving 10-15 seconds time. Try it once. Six plus square root of 216, 7 plus square root of 343, 8 plus square root of 512, 9 plus square root of 729. Okay, look at the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are consecutive natural numbers. So, after 9 natural number is 10, 10 and plus. Now, forget about the square root, just observe the given numbers. ఈ numbers ఏంటి 216, 343, 512, 729. These numbers are perfect cubes. Which number cubes? 216 is 6 cube, 343 is 7 cube, 512 is 8 cube, 729 is 9 cube. 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube and 9 cube. What is the next number? 6, 7, 8, 9 are consecutive natural numbers. So after 9 is 10. So required number is 10 cube. So square root of 10 cube is how much? 1000. So required answer is 10 plus square root of 1000, which is in choice 2. అర్థమైందా అండి? 6, 7, 8, 9 are consecutive natural numbers. 216, 343, 512, 729 are consecutive cubes of natural numbers. 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. So next number is 10 cube. So answer ఏమవుతుంది? 10 plus square root of 1000. See the next question. 1, 4, 27, 16, 125, 36, 343, 64. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మీకు numbers, the given series is alternate series. If you closely observe the numbers, alternate numbers are perfect cubes. And if you observe the another series, ఈ series ఏమవుతుంది? Perfect squares. 1 is 1 cube, 27 is 3 cube and 125 is 5 cube, 343 is 7 cube. 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. Consecutive odd number cubes. What is the odd number after 7? 9. So your required answer is 9 cube. 9 cube is how much? 729. Now, ఈ series ఏంటి? 4, 16, 36, 64 perfect squares. 4 a number square, 2 square, 16 is 4 square, 36 is 6 square, 64 is 8 square. 2, 4, 6, 8 consecutive even numbers. After 8 even number is 10. And what is the logic applied? Square. So 10 square, which is 100. So 729 comma 100. Alternately perfect cubes are given which are of odd numbers and alternately perfect squares are given which are of even numbers. 729, 100. Choice 3. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. 5 by 7, 11 by 13, 17 by 19, 23 by 29. ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేశారా? 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. What are these numbers? Prime numbers again. So prime numbers are very, very important. Try to by heart the prime numbers. First 25 prime numbers which are between 1 and 100. So 5, 7, next prime number is 7. 5 next prime number is 7. 7 next prime number is 11. 11 next prime number is 13. 13 next prime number is 17. 17 next prime number is 19. 19 next prime number is 23. 23 next prime number is 29. So what will be the next fraction? In the numerator we will get after 29 prime number. What is after 29? 31. And in the denominator we will get after 31 what is the prime number? That is 37. So your answer is 31 by 37. It's in choice 3. Consecutive prime numbers. 5 next prime number is 7. 7 next prime number is 11. 11 next prime number is 13. 13 next prime number is 17. 17 next prime number is 19. Next prime number is 23. And next prime number is 29. Next prime number numerator after 29 is 31. 31 next prime number is 37. So 31 by 37. Choice 3. Right. Let's see the next question. 2, 6, 3, 5, 35, 7, 11, 143 and 13. Let's find out the next 3 numbers. If you observe more cleanly, product of the first and third number, it means 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 will give you the result 6. 2 3s are 6. 5 7s are 35. 5 into 7, 35. Next, 11 into 13, 143. ఏంటి numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. ఏంటి numbers? Again prime numbers. So after 13 prime numbers, two consecutive prime numbers are what? 17 and 19. Middle value ఎలా వస్తుంది? Product of 17 and 19, which is 323. 17 19s are 323. 2 3s are 6, 5 7s are 35, 11 13s are 143. To find the next three numbers, you need to identify the pattern. 2 3 5 7 11 13 are consecutive prime numbers. So after 13 prime numbers are 17 and 19, and the middle number is product of those two numbers. So 17 into 19 is 323. Clear? Right. Let's see the next question. 2 4 12 48 240. The given series is in increasing pattern. The given series is in increasing pattern. 2 4 12 48 240. It is increasing. Is it increasing gradually or rapidly? That we need to observe. Gradually or rapidly, that we need to observe. అది మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. అది గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా, ర్యాపిడ్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా? గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వడం అంటే వన్ నెంబర్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ దెర్ విల్ బి అ స్మాల్ జంప్. ర్యాపిడ్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వడం అంటే వన్ నెంబర్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ దెర్ విల్ బి ఎ బిగ్ జంప్. సో ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఎలా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి? 48 240 అంటే చాలా బిగ్ జంప్ ఉంది. 1248 వెరీ బిగ్ జంప్, రైట్? సో ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ర్యాపిడ్లీ. ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ర్యాపిడ్లీ అయితే ఏ లాజిక్ అప్లై చేస్తామంటే product logic, multiplication. Increasing rapidly, product logic. If it is increasing gradually, we will apply difference logic. If it is increasing gradually, we will apply difference logic. If it is increasing rapidly, we will apply the product logic. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూడండి, 2 4 12 48 240. 48 goes exactly how many times in 240? 5 times. 48 5s are 240. 12 and 48, how many times it is? 4 times. 12 4s are 48. 4 and 12. 4 3s are 12. 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. So into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. So what is the next number I need to consider? 2, 3, 4 or 5 are consecutive natural numbers. So after 5 natural number is 6. So 240 into 6. 240 into 6 is 1440. 1440. If the numbers are increasing gradually, apply the difference logic. If the numbers are increasing rapidly, apply the product logic. Let's move to the next question. 1320, 990, 720, 504, 336. ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేశారా? కెన్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు రికగ్నైజ్ దీస్ నెంబర్స్? 1320, 990, 720, 504, 336. These numbers are close to perfect cubes. Not exactly perfect cubes. These numbers are close to perfect cube numbers. 1320, it is close to which perfect cube? 11 cube. But 11 cube is 1331. But what is the number given? 1320. So how much it is less by 11? So the given number can be written in the pattern of what? 11 cube minus 11. 990 is close to 10 cube, 1000. 10 cube. 10 cube is 1000. But it is how much less than that by 10? So it can be written as 10 cube minus 10. Now 720. It is close to 9 cube. 9 cube is 729. And it is less than that number by 9. So 9 cube minus 9. Now let's see the 504. 504 is close to 8 cube. 8 cube is 512 and it is less than that by 8. So 8 cube minus 8. Now 336 is close to 7 cube. 7 cube is 343 or minus 7. It is 336. So 11 cube minus 11, 10 cube minus 10, 9 cube minus 9, 8 cube minus 8, 7 cube minus 7. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 are consecutive natural numbers in decreasing order. So after 7 in decreasing order 6. And what is the logic applied? 6 cube minus 6. And given logic is n cube minus n, where n is a consecutive natural numbers in decreasing order. So 6 cube minus 6. 6 cube is 216 minus 6 is 210. So it is in choice 3. So the required answer is choice 3. So not only perfect cubes and perfect squares, you should also try to recognize the numbers which are close to perfect squares and perfect cubes. అలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తేనే ఐసెట్లో 100% స్కోర్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, స్క్వేర్స్, cubes, numbers close to squares, numbers close to cubes are very, very important. Let's move to the next question. Right. It is one of the important model. Regularly they will ask you in the ICET exam. 133 1 by 3, 116 2 by 3, 100, 83 1 by 3, 66 2 by 3, 50. Now, 133 1 by 3 ki can be written as 400 by 3. 400 by 3. 133 1 by 3 can be written as 400 by 3. 133 3 is a 399 plus 1, 400 by 3. 116 2 by 3 can be written as 350 by 3. Can be written as 350 by 3. 400 by 3, 350 by 3. Now, 100 can be written as 300 by 3. 300 by 3. So in all the cases, numerator is the same, denominator is the same, 3, 3, 3. But what about the numerator? Numerator is getting reduced by how much? 50. 400 to 350 minus 50. 350 to 300 minus 50. So 83 1 by 3. 83 1 by 3 can be written as what? 250 by 3. 250 by 3. 250 by 3. So again 300 to 250, it is reduced by 50. Reduced by 50. Next, 66 2 by 3 can be written as 200 by 3. 200 by 3. Again 250 to 200, it is reduced by 50. So 400, 350, 300, 250, 200. So what will be next? 150. So 150 by denominator 3, which gives 50. Now 400, 350, 300, 250, 200, 150. So what will be the next number? 100. Because numerator we are getting reduced by 50. So 150 minus 50, it is 100. And in all the cases denominator is 3. So 100 by 3. 100 by 3 is equal to 33, 1 by 3. So this is one of the important model. Okay. Now, let's move to the last question. Question number 10. 10, 38, 84, 148, 230. What are these numbers? Again, you should try to recognize. These numbers are close to perfect squares. 10 can be written as 3 square plus 1. Already cheppanu. Not only perfect squares and perfect cubes, you should also try to recognize the numbers which are close to perfect squares and close to perfect cubes. 10 ela rayachu 3 square plus 1. 38 ela rayachu 6 square plus 2. 6 square plus 2. 84 ela rayachu 9 square 81 plus 3. 148 ela rayachu 12 square 144 plus 4. 230 ela rayachu 15 square 225 plus 5. 15 square plus 5. Now please observe the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. One number to the next number increasing by how much? Enta increase avutundi? Plus 3. One number to the next number, it is increasing by plus 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So after 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 square. And a numbers to add chestunaru every time. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Consecutive natural numbers. After 5 natural number is 6. So 18 square plus 6. 18 square is 324 plus 6, 330. So it is in choice 1. Clear? Okay. Now, when it is a number series topic, 3 points we need to remember: prime numbers, squares and cubes, and the number closest to squares and number closest to cubes. If you can recognize these numbers, you will be able to answer at least 2 to 3 questions in number series, and also 2 to 3 questions in analogies, and also 2 to 3 questions in odd man out. Okay? Thank you.